today has been a wild, wild day, guys. Weird day this week. Weird day today. Weird day overall this week in the overall market. Some of the best times to be on, the cash positions. Cash is also a position sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the market to consolidate, get back into a normal uh, point. Wait for a few people to come in. If I have $12 on AMC and 5, 8 when the convert, will that bring my average down, or will I be at 17, 12? I'm not sure exactly, fam, how they're going to do that. Tesla dip soon. What's up, Hayes? What's up? Let's do this. What's up, fam? Let's get it. You what's up, brother? Yes, sir. Um, yeah, fam, I'm expecting that to happen definitely. I was eyeing that all day at 212. I was ready to pull the trigger. I'm like, because on yesterday I was telling you guys I didn't expect. Tesla already exceeded expectations. It's already exceeded expectations. So without a doubt, that collapse from 212 to 207, that was just the beginning. And not saying it's gonna collapse and stay down. I'm just saying it's a short window opportunity. Meaning it can easily come down from 212 to around the high 100s, 185, 190, 180 ish. And that's a $30 drop. It could definitely drop 20, $30 at the right timing. And it's weird how Tesla was creating new highs today, already above expectations, reached 212. And while it's doing that, Lucid actually creating newer lows, dropping hard like a rocket. That's crazy. Also, looking at the charts on Lucid as well, we could see that free fall from where it was at too, coming down to the area that it came down to. But it's just, the market sentiment. They trying to have emotions all over the place. Different areas of the stock market going up, some going down. Even the same. This how weird the market is actually. How they trying to, you got to peep all this stuff now. Zoom out and peep all this stuff. It gotten to the point to where everything was in sync with one another. Everything's green, everything's red. Almost, practically. Not every single thing, but the majority of the market usually will be red at the same time. The majority of the market usually be green at the same time. That's not normal market conditions. But I'm saying those are conditions we're currently in for nearly the whole 2022 and a little bit previous to that. And so now, as the market started to break up, you got certain areas of the market flying, some areas of the market staying stagnant, and some actually dropping. And then it even got so complex to even within the sector. Like if you got EV sector going up, more than likely the big dog Tesla going up, he gonna drag the little dogs up as well. Lucid, Neo, all these other smaller EV companies. And especially just because Tesla move up 1%, 2%, that ain't really much. But Tesla moving up the way it did from 120s all the way up to damn near 220, $100 move within a short period of time, that's definitely a significant jump. And a move like that will definitely bring along the other EV companies within that sector, especially the ones where the money at, where the volume's at, where the attention is at, like Lucid. And for it to be doing the completely opposite within that same sector, that's just how you know the manipulation was on a different type of level on today, guys. And the majority, one of the main reasons on why this is happening is the simple fact that retail investors made, buttloads of money whenever the market pushes up significantly the way it did. And that's supposed to be happening back to back to back, at least for a few days, or as much green days should come just as much as red days be in. But as we can see, these ever since we supposed to be in a bull market for real, like going into a bullish market for like a consecutive period over and over and over again for like, we have 3 out of the 5 days green, 2 on maybe red. As we supposed to done that or been into that market, Bitcoin done took off. A lot of individual securities done took off. But they steady is holding the market back. And they can't really hold it back and not let it do nothing That's why we'll have those certain Fridays that we had a whole market down the whole entire time. Then come Friday, usually on another sell-off day, the market shoots off like a bat out of hell, or what we've seen on Friday previously in the past. And that's just, it's just all market manipulation, guys. All market manipulation. It's insane. It's insane. It's insane. B, what's up? What do you think about Google? Yes, sir. I got puts on it 2 weeks out. What you think about AMC tomorrow, up or down? I was up 22 racks. Then the bottom fell out. Yeehaw. Now I got 440 Carvana contracts hanging around my fat neck. That's crazy, fam. I already know it. You got a dang on. That key to that is once you up that amount, you steady, I fall victim to it as well. You steady trying to move the meter up even higher, way quicker. Meaning, you already up. So now, once you get up 5 figures in the market, you should be putting yourself in a comfortable position. Meaning now, just because you have more money, don't put more money into one investment to try and have an even bigger return. But at that point, you should be easing back and chilling. Like, okay, let me continue to create the same system and create and keep the same system that got me to the point that I'm currently at with up 5 figures. So most people, once they get to that point, all that go out the window. They trying to go even harder and run up, millions of dollars or 100 or whatever the case may be, that next level, and it'll put you back quicker than it's going to put you ahead. That's why it's always best to stay with that same system that got you to wherever point that you come up. Like whenever you get up in the market, whatever got you to that point, you got to stick to that same system until you up significantly. And I'm talking about you look back. It's a long way from back. You up a significant amount. It'll take some crazy turmoil in the market to bring you back down. And the safest way, and what I mean by that is that's when you up, so much. You don't pull your money out of the market. You plant the house money. You got, market money in a savings account. You got market money in cash. You got market money everywhere. You kind of in that sweet spot. I'm praying for pre-market. Yeah, we need something to happen pre-market, fam. We know Friday is definitely the last day. A lot of options is going to expire. So they definitely, could pull them tricks out the bag. We also know we got a track record. We've been having a track record of some weird Fridays. I mean, a lot of shorts will be piling in as well. And it's play psychology on both sides. A lot of shorts piling in on Friday because they're already expecting, this crazy market. They already feel like they know what's going to happen, and the market come and bite them in the ass and shoots up on the day we least expect it. And think Tesla will keep going up. Overall, in the future, I believe it's going to keep going up without a doubt. But short term, day trading contracts, I believe it's overextended. Look at the rest of the market. I mean, if it's not right overextended right now and it continue to go up from here, that just keeps confirming how much of a beast Tesla really is. But yeah, I do believe it could fall back down towards the high 100s before bouncing off of that and going higher. And it all depends on the market sentiment then when it starts to pull back. So close. LOL. Think Tesla will keep on the bright side. I bought cheap put. It's Google buy. Going to sell contracts tomorrow and get some money back. First time getting in on live. Love all you do, my guy. You have really taught me a lot. Turned under 500. First time getting on live. Love all you do. Dang, that's tough, bro. I need to mark a screenshot it. That's tough. Oh, dang, what the world? Oh, that's tough, bro. Uh, Shout out to you, my guy. Uh, the ape, the ape of G Dot. Said first time getting on live, love all you do, my guy. You have really taught me a lot. Turn under $500 investment into $11,000, 11 racks. That's big, bro. That's real big. Now, in order to always stay on top, stay in the game, stay on top of everything, to make sure you never lose. Just kind of make yourself indestructible. And we know, things could still happen, but I'm saying right, you just getting yourself all the way to that point to where I'm kind of you good. And if you start with 500 and you get 11,000, me personally, I'm pulling half out off of real, and maybe even more than that from the fact that you started with 500. I pull 50 $5,500 out, maybe even 6,000. Pull $6,000 out. You got your 500 back. You got 5,500 to do the payoffs, to do whatever you need to do with. Pay off some things, do whatever you got to do with. Do something with that 55. Put some in the savings. Do whatever you got to do with that 55. Just put it up, and do something great with it. And also your taxes. Take your portion out for your taxes, and also and now you still got 55 4. You got about $4,000 to restart with, $3,000 or $4,000 to restart with, and you started with 5 at first. And now do the same thing with that 3K. Build that 3K up back to 11K, and so on, so on. Pull out some more, and then get over the 25K limit, and keep doing your thing. But you definitely want to pay yourself. My main thing is you're paying yourself and paying Uncle Sam. I always have another account, a savings account, where you take a portion of your profits and put off to the side. And I always put a little more than what you actually think it's going to be, just so you can also have another bag like over there in that as well. So like if you put in, a certain percentage of your profits over to the side, by the time you do get ready to pay your taxes, you put in a little bit more than what they actually are. So whenever you do pay it, it's like if you got, you have 20,000 sitting in an account to the side for taxes, and your taxes ain't gonna be 20K depending on how much you made. Say if the tax is more like 12K depending on how much you made, $12,000, and you still got $8,000 now, and like extra money. It ain't really extra money, but just putting a little more over there. So then when you do pay, it ain't like you giving away, you putting the exact amount and you giving away the whole thing. It's like you just, I don't know, some psychology behind that. You just having a little more, like having something left. After I paid my tax, like, dang, got a little something left. Boom. This, that, and third. So, anyways, yep, that's how you want to do that, guys. Always pay yourself, pull your initial investment out once you get to that point, and play with house money and let it be a smooth ride for you. Do you think CPI report going up look like that's why the market dumped? Mm, CPI, fam, it's we know inflation has declined. So right now, I feel as if the market is, the way it's being so volatile, doing all that back and forth the way it is because of a lot of retail investors making lots and lots of money during those bullish moments of the overall market. So they have to come with all this weirdness, have stocks doing, this number and that number, just to mess up psychology of retail investors and let them, have them confused, not knowing what the next move for the market is going to be. Overall, right now though, the market should be a beautiful, beautiful thing right now. But they just hate the fact that how many people came to the market and discovered the market and now have the market on their radar since AMC and all this meme stock frenzy. It's too many people here. So with all those people here, it's that what they're trying to do is make sure everybody leave with a bad outlook on the overall market. Because a lot of people is going to come going all in, putting all their money on one thing, and going to blow accounts very, very quickly. And so the quicker they blow accounts and they get them out of here, they'll go back and tell their family and friends how much money they lost and how bad the market is, giving the stock market a bad outlook, which is going to also drive and keep them away from ever turning to the market. Hit that like, fam. Hit that like, fam. Hit that like button, fam. Appreciate that, fam. Much love. If I pull my initial investment out, is that a realized gain? If you pull your initial investment out, I mean your realized gain is your realized gain. If you started with $500 and you turn that $500 to $1,000, your realized gain is the $500. So if you pull it out, you'll be pulling out your realized gains, and you'll still have your initial investment in there. This is when the rich get richer. They buy while low. That's right. That's right, fam. Exactly right. They buy dirt cheap for the low like this, and they sell when everyone else starts to rush in, when everyone else starts to talk about it. Moving to a large cash position tomorrow. I played spy puts. Good job, fam. How do we find plays to day trade? Please be uh finding plays to day trade, fam. Like I just let the plays come to me. Like they're gonna already be on my radar. Like the plays of day trade is, I mean, penny stocks. You can set up scans and search for penny stocks on a daily, this, that, and the third. They come about here and there, very very risky. But overall, the trades to trade is already in my face. Like I'm trading, like doing contracts, buying contract options. I feel some of the best securities to trade is the big dogs, Amazon, Tesla, Apple. These stocks are already, you're just catching them during earnings, right before earnings. You catching them on a huge dip, a panic. Like the plays is already there. I'd rather trade them because, they're more predictable in a normal market. Like in a market like this, of course, they're going to be choppy all over the place. Could shoot up, shoot down, crazy percentages that they don't usually do. But during normal market conditions, those are like regular, household companies is great companies to trade. I just feel more comfortable trading something that actually have the liquidity to get out of it if I want to scale up, which you are going to scale up over time. Everybody's going to scale up over time as they do this. So as I scale up and you put in 5 figures in a single uh, trade, you able to actually get it liquidated whenever you go to sell. Because some of these, plays that you just want to go and find and this, that, and the third, yeah, you can get in them. But I done seen people being in options and being up significantly in certain securities and couldn't even liquidate because it wasn't nobody on the option chain to buy at the price that they were selling it and what the stock had shot off to. The volume wasn't there, liquidity wasn't there. So I mean, that's my take on it. Everybody's different though with what they like to trade and all that good stuff. Yo, was a good call to live. What's up with it, fam? Are you still bullish on AMC? Tilray, AMC will run early March. Banks failing, market crashing. How did you learn to stop getting haze in books? Big dog, I made 1K. Hey, that's what's up, fam. What did you make 1K on today? Congratulations on that. How did you learn to stop getting haze? Any books you recommend? The Intelligent Investor is a good book. Also on just research, fam. Just research. Just research. Just studying like crazy. Studying like crazy every day, every hour, every second. And I still study to this day. But it's like now I'm just studying stuff within the market. Kind of like Warren Buffett still study. Like you don't need this new stuff that you're studying to be able to produce income out of the market. But it's just whenever you're doing something, you actually doing it and really doing it, you just need to know or want to know every single thing about the market that you possibly can on your time on earth. Because as we all know, the market is very complex. There's many different ways you can make money in the market. You can invest in the market. Some people think, oh, I gotta know all this stuff about the market to make money. Like you don't have to know pretty much nothing. Only thing you gotta do is just buy Nike, buy Apple, buy Tesla on the on crazy downturns like COVID, like rising inflation. Whenever it's crazy discounts, most people you don't need to know. You just need to have no common sense to do that. Just buy it and hold it. Over time, it's theoretically over time for the past 40 years, the overall market increased by 8.4% a year. So it ain't hard just sticking your money there and just letting it ride, right? So that's one way to make money in the market. The market's so complex, so like I said, even though I already know what I need to make the money, I'm still learning because it's just this is what you do. You want to know every single thing about it is that you do. So it's like you can make money that way. Some people make money with dividends. They don't really mess with the market for nothing else. They just like getting paid, putting a big bag in a company that pay good dividends and get paid quarterly, annually. However, the company sets their payments out for that. So you got dividends, regular investing. Like older folks, like older folks or whatnot, or younger folks, older folks don't matter. Anybody, just regular invest, but regular investing, dividends. You got day trading, outright, like buying shares $1,000 worth of Tesla at 200 and go to 400. That's $1,000 profit. That's regular day trading. You got option trading. You got futures market. You got all these different compartments in one thing. So it's like it's very complex. A lot of stuff about the market. So it's like it's a never ending journey far as like education, but making the money, it don't take much to make the money. That comes with experience, knowing the charts, knowing your support, your resistance areas, and also creating a system and being meticulous with how much you're willing to lose on each trade and knowing exactly what you're aiming for to gain and not just getting in the stock like a deer in the headlights. Be like, okay, I just lose whatever or I just make whatever. Exactly, know about where you're getting off at. You can't say exactly where you're getting off at because the market sentiment can change within being in that security. As you get in that security and I say, hey, I want to get out of this stock at $13. But by the time it get to 12.80, I'm already from experience. Because people say, well, how did you know? How did you know? How did you know to get out before your target? Because experience. I've been at the market and seen it every day, here every single day, to be able to know once market sentiment changes and it's not going to make my price target. So I'm like, oh, I got to jump ship early because it's not going to go all the way there. Even though I wanted to, that what the target was. Most people, well, you didn't stick to your plan. Well, it still was sticking to your plan because you can't make the market go where you want it to go. You got to go with the flow of the market. You got to take what the market gives you. You can't just tell the market what you want. You got to take what it gives you. You got to go with the flow. You got to be in sync with the overall market. All Tesla long holders are up. That's right. They killing them. When we was looking at that, we got in at 120. I ain't expected to do over time overall, of course, you expect Tesla to go crazy. But with the market going with the market is currently the current state that is at and all that good stuff, I definitely expect it to go as high as it went in that short period of time like that. That was options, yeah. Whoever bought it out, for a decent time period is printing. It's an infinite money print machine. As long as they, starting to get out now. What percentage did you make on portfolio today on options? I lost money today, fam. Some people made money today. A lot of people made money today. I see. I lost money today. Real spill. I got some at 102. I lost money today. I didn't report it yet because I didn't sell yet. The other day I reported and didn't sell just to show hurry up and I was winning so much, crazy amounts of money. I wanted to go ahead and show like I ain't lose yet, but I'm ready to go ahead and show it. Like, hey, I'm down. Like, don't just think win, win, win. Hey, I'm down. Like, hey, I'm down. Even though I ain't sell yet, let me go ahead and show you on down. Tight jump. And today I didn't sell. So I still got tomorrow, the last day, which I'm expecting the worst. I know you're supposed to expect the best, but I am expecting the worst tomorrow. But just the market has been very, very weird. Very weird this week. And I ain't worried about it no more though, because I won't participate when I know the market, because I already knew this was gonna happen before it happened. So whenever I already, and that comes with experience, it's already knowing. So whenever I know this stuff, I'm gonna just take a step back, watch it play out. Sometimes the best move is no move at all. Just watching the market play out, building up more experience, building up more, just seeing how the market operate without you being in it. So yeah, you already know, guys. But yeah, lost down like what, $2,000-3,000 a day, 2,500, right around $2,500. Yeah. But when you know what you're willing to lose, first off, don't you need know what you're willing to lose first. Then you can think about what you can make. My portfolio is down 37K today. Wow, Ken, that's crazy, my boy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know what the world did you do? You was trying to make like you must have been trying to make like a half a million a day. 37K, bro. You was you going for a half a M? Cause like being down 3K today, it's like I'm going for like 15, 20 racks though. 15, 20 bands if the play go in my direction. 37K, sheesh. That's what I say, bro. That is wild. That is wild, man. My meme stocks all tanked. That's crazy, bro. We gonna get it back. You gonna definitely get it back, bro. We gonna get it back. We gonna get it back, bro. We gotta be smart. Aim small, miss small. Don't be greedy. Aim small, miss small. Don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. Take what the market give you. Cut losses. Quality over quantity. Less is more. Trading twice or three times out the week is fine. Waiting for the best opportunities and just scaling up with those. Trust me, bro, you're making my 10K on memes look like nothing. What you mean, fam? What 10K on memes? I ain't scared. Hey fam, hey fam. I already know, fam. For real though. Affirm tomorrow hitting 350. Sheesh. 350, fam? Good lord. I told Diolo on Carvana I could smell retirement. Hmm. That's wild. Yep. Write that down, fam. Less is definitely more. Because when you think about it, usually most people that don't, have the proper education or proper knowledge is going to lose about 6 or 7 trades before that winning trade come around. So if you miss out on 7 trades, 6 or 7 trades, and take that eighth one, more than likely the less is going to become more. You're going to be winning more times than you're losing now, because the trades that you're usually taking, you're actually conscious of it and you're missing out on them. And as you're missing out on bad trades, it's giving the universe and the psychological things more time to put in rotation that winning trade for when you do come out and play. And it's going to be a quality. All that combining in with quality setups, quality plays, quality, quality over quantity. I'm down in a good way because it's pressure boiling. AMC to the moon. Hayes, hey fam, what you think about U-Haul? God is king. Your energy is off today. Yeah, hey, I would say that, fam. I mean, I've been tired lately. I've been sleepy, bro. I know y'all been seeing me say I've been tired and all that junk. I've been tired. I never took naps and junk. I'm a grown man. I don't know if other grown men take naps. Like my first time ever taking naps have been today and yesterday. Like I never took a nap before. I couldn't even laugh my ass off, Hayes. I couldn't even get it out. You couldn't get what out, fam. Yeah, man, I been dang on tired, bro. I been tired for real. I supposed to been collaborating with my guy today and all on Instagram. I try to collab with him up here on YouTube, but it ain't working. I don't know what's going on with it. But yeah, definitely, fam. And I mean, you gotta think. I mean, I'm human. Like my energy ain't gonna be piped up every single day. Like I got, a life to live. I got family. I got, you know, I got problems outside of like, you got not problems, like real problems. I can laugh through my problems. They very small compared to other people's problems. But everybody got a life. Everybody got a little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so yeah, I have other things that could throw my energy off. You know, women, bad vibes, yeah. I won't like to deal with women, bro. I ain't saying I don't like to deal with them, but I'm focused on what I got to focus on. Women trying to acquire your attention and time and resources. Like, man, that junk could throw your damn energy all out, bro. And then, yeah, being tired, shit, sleepy. Nigga sleepy right now. I know y'all seen me on last night. I kept yawning, like, tired, man. What the world? Hey, shake back, behavior. You got it. I'm trying to shake back, bro. I am. If I take a nap, I'm going to be asleep the rest of the day. That's funny. That's funny. Hey, for real though, that makes sense. But if you take a nap at like 2 o'clock, though, bro, you ain't gonna be asleep for the whole day. I don't know. Maybe you will though. I'm experiencing more naps to stay up fresh in the open market time. Hey, okay. Too much life some days. Hey, my friend. LOL. Too much life some days. See, appreciate that, my boy. See, I have too much life some days, and some days, yeah, like yeah, money don't sleep, my dude. LOL resources. It gets worse the older you get. Yeah, after I ate that steak, Hayes thoughts on Coinbase or Live. Both super damn made me play for cause. Yes, I've been looking at those. I've been looking at those, fam, in after hours. Lyft, I've been looking at it. And it's crazy. Yup. I was looking at it. I'm looking at it. I'm on it. It's down over 30%. I'm definitely on it, fam. Yup. It's definitely a good opportunity for quick calls. I believe it come down to the $10 territory. And that's where it'll be a perfect setup. Like I said, we quality over quantity with this market. We got to play how they playing. If it ain't no perfect setup, almost like taking candy from a baby, we don't want it. We don't want it at all. We're gonna stay away from it. There's plenty of opportunities, and if we just wait for the best ones, where it's like taking candy from a baby, or you come out with a little small loss, and you buying this at the bottom to where it have no room really left to move, and that way you ain't really worried about it going against you or you being down a certain amount before getting the gains because you're getting the best possible setups. So yeah, we definitely going to be moving like that. Day trading and work don't mix. Day trading and work. What work, man? Where you from, bro? Who would of new lift would drop 30% at the hours? That's crazy. 30%. Yeah, sheesh. Boy, if you did puts, you'll be killing it. Ain't it though, bro? That's what yeah, you guys were just telling me about puts though. I was scared of puts. Like you guys said you only could lose on short selling the market. You know how it's unlimited profits going long. So I'm thinking it's unlimited losses buying puts. Like ever since I seen them people killing themselves and stuff about losing money short selling, more money than they had, it never made sense to me. So, but I mean, I would possibly try puts one day. It might be another calling of mine, because the market dropped severely quicker than it goes up. Meaning, when the market drops, it drops sharply. Like ain't nothing stopping it. Like it's gonna drop. But when it go up, how many times you see it go up and it's playing games? It's stagnant. It's barely want to go. But when it drops, it ain't no playing no games. It ain't playing no games at all. So yeah, that definitely Made sense. But yeah, and my first put today was gonna be Tesla, and it would have, cause at $212, no doubt, man, like this is about to fall. Especially yeah, this is about to fall, bro. If you did push, are you going to make the watch list? Yeah, fam, I'm gonna make the watch list, but I mean, not today, not tomorrow, not for tomorrow. This week, we just need to let the rest this week finish itself out. Let this week finish itself out, and next week we will, yeah, we'll be ready. I am sure waiting until I understand completely. I tattoo while I trade is chaos. You tattoo while you trade, fam? Dang, ain't that's tough. Yeah, that's tough, bro. I don't know why would you want to do that? Why would you want to tattoo while you trade? Just wait till the market closes or something. I'm sure waiting. It's just the opposite of cause. Okay. Take the tattoo gun away from that man. That's I'm gonna start playing longer calls. I made my first put on Tesla today. 206 is even break. I made my first put on Tesla today. 206 is my break even. Good call. I have Amazon contracts for March 17th. Missouri. I work at the commission commission. I can't even see that full message. I'm like blocked out. Work 3 hours of breakdown. I was tattooing Saturday in Spell Monica. Yeah, I take now I'm going to rest day, shake back. Hey, being in the military area, all of us grown men taking naps. Child breaks. That's funny. I'm just not reading that. Nah, bro, taking that after that. We gonna shake back. That's good news because I'm due for a W right about now. I'm sure I have 7 L's behind me at this point. LOL, that's funny. You funny, Miss Clark. Hey, that's right though. Like that's the real psychology behind it though. You already know you in line to lose 6, 7 times in a row, miss out on those 7 trades and take your 8th. And now more times than not, you're gonna be in winning trades. Less is more. So yeah, scaling up, on the smaller level, it may not seem like much. You try to trade more because you got less money, but the quality plays and quality setups with that small money is going to mean more in the end because you're able to scale it up and get it to a bigger bag to now to be able to be even more considerate of taking less trades because now every trade you take, you got a big enough bag to actually make a significant amount of money to hold you off to the next trade. Because I'm pretty sure if you're making $2,000, 3,000, even 700, 800, $500 for some people, making that on a single trade would give you enough cushion and enough breathing room to hold off until the next play comes. But whenever just making $50, $40, $30, $100 or something, you were anxious. You too anxious to make that next bag, that next bread. But the bigger the profits, the more quality setups, the more you wait for the best plays. That's when you're really going to be able to grow and scale up that account. Either you win some, you lose some. Third, hopefully next week will be better. It will be, fam, no doubt. No doubt about that. This week was just a get back week for them. What's up, fam, from Texas? Been following you on the sidelines for like 2 years. You're legit. How do you join? You're VIP. VIP, fam, you just use a computer or iPad and go to the home page and click join. If you don't got a computer or iPad, you can use your mobile device, but turn it into like a desktop version. On Google, type in YouTube desktop version. It's gonna be like the computer format, and you'll be able to hit join. And just hit join, bro. Amazon 150. Sooner than later we would eat. That make hella sense, my guy. What make hella sense, fam? Like what makes hella sense? What part? I guess you were talking. I don't know. I guess what we're just talking about. What you think about U-Haul? Hey, fam. What up, fam? Bro, I mean, yeah. I had to get back to work 7 in the morning. Yep. I'm about to go. I'm about to, I'm about to go prepare and stuff, get right, clean up. Then gonna probably eat the rest of my food, do whatever I got to do, work out a little bit, you know, watch a little interview or two, do all that good stuff, feed my brain, get my brain right, get my mental right, get my body right, read my Bible, read a verse out my Bible, a scripture, and I'm gonna do what I do. Y'all already know, man. Yeah, I'm about to go, chill and do all that good stuff. So I love y'all. Holla at y'all in the morning. Make sure y'all get some rest. Make sure y'all aim small, miss small. Make sure y'all be meticulous. Make sure you're not just throwing money at the market for a return. Make sure you actually see the whole setup, see everything before making a decision, before making that trade. Make sure I'm just throwing stuff out there, just throwing stuff out there. I mean, I know I ain't even got I ain't even got nothing to just throwing it out there. Make sure you all get it. But anyways, you already know, guys. Good night. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.